What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test this break apart camping fire pit. So you put this one into here. I promise you guys it's going to be worth the wait. A little bit of time to set it up. The legs, all four goes on the bottom and this one goes on the top. So, and then you twist them all. So you have something look like this. Then we're going to grab this. Then we're going to get this and stick it like that. Flip it over and each one of them the same way. Makes sense, right? Couple more. And the last one. Okay, and then flip it out, and we got right here kind of a floating net fire pit. And then you're gonna build the firewood over here, and there's plenty of ventilation. Also, we don't have to worry about clearing off the grass as much, unless it's a dry grass. You do want to clear that off so that nothing catches around it. But pretty cool. Let's start a fire on top of it and see what it's going to look like. Got my fire starter matches in here. We're gonna put some grass into it first and then start with small twigs and go with the bigger ones just to test it out, some weight of it. And then we're gonna put some bigger ones just to test out how much weight can this thing hold. Look how tall that is. And again, it's highly ventilated from the bottom top. 360, amazing. That is a good fire. Check this out. I'm gonna put some bigger pieces now before it burns out. There you go. You're gonna make a little bit of a pocket in there. Oh, a little bit of a wet wood, but hopefully it can handle it. You see, I really smudged that fire, filled it up, almost covered up all the oxygen, but there's plenty of oxygen coming from down below. So let's see if it will catch on, even though all this firewood is kind of wet and there is no oxygen going through almost. Look, I can blow it under it. It is so hot under there, I don't have to worry about it. It will dry out. Come back in a minute. Well, definitely one of a kind fire pit. Super easy to set it up, break it down. It's burning pretty good. Lots of oxygen going under there, and the grass didn't get messed up, so very nice. One more thing I want to show you. I'm gonna blow it from under. You see those hot coals? And everything gets on flames. In the daytime the flames are harder to see, but it's pretty hot. It's burning pretty good. Okay, once it cools off, let's break it apart. Look at that. Super easy. You don't even have to do that. You could just fold it together, but if you wanna put it back in the pouch, you wanna break it all like this. And boom. Put it back in a pouch. Very collapsible fire pit, and it's pretty decent size too. I like it.